Hey honeys, it's time for another protective style, so we're going to get right into it. This is the hair that I chose, the free tress Punta Cana twist hair. So I started by cleansing the hair in my bathtub. All I did was run some warm water into the tub, put the conditioner and the shampoo in it all at once. I switched it around to make it a more homogeneous solution, and then I put the hair in and I did a cleanse. Next, this is how you prep the hair for each section. It's pretty simple. All you're going to do is unravel the end portion of the hair so that it's not so condensed together. You want it to look really free and fringy, and that's pretty much it. After you do that, you're just going to untwist the hair to kind of open it up and stretch it out. This hair in particular is very thick, so I only used one piece of hair per section and it worked well. I always start with stretched hair. Make sure that you check out my blowout video if you want to see how I got this look. Okay guys, so now I'm going to explain to you all how I got the extension hair into my hair and looking like this. So first, all you have to do is section your hair. You're going to take each section, split that section in half. After you've split it in half, you're going to take one piece of the extension hair, put it between that one section. After that hair is between the section, you're going to gather your natural hair in the middle of each section. So your extension hair should be laying in the middle of that. You're going to rubber band your natural hair, and then you're going to go ahead and twist. It's that simple. This method can also be achieved by using a crochet needle. So you can section your hair, put the rubber band on first, put the crochet needle between that section that has already been rubber band, and slide the extension hair through with the crochet needle. Then you'll just twist as I'm doing here. There are many other methods to attaching the extension hair to make it look seamless. I know that mine doesn't look as seamless as I would like, but this was the method that I chose for my energy level. I do know how to do this with the double twisting method so that it looks like it's just coming from your scalp more. At the end, you will see that you can see some of the rubber bands on my hair. I personally do not have a problem with that at all because this was very convenient for me and it worked well. You will see me complete one more twist in this video, and if you are learning or you're a beginner, I do slow it down some so that you can see how to ensure that you get a very nice even twist all the way down. So just continue to watch. Okay honeys, and here we are. If you are learning, this is the part that you want to watch closely and see how I twist the hair so that I get a nice even twist. As you're twisting each section, it's important to try to get the same amount of hair on each side. So as you're holding both sections of hair in your fingers, you start to twist, and you should twist as evenly as possible. And the way that you do that is trying to get a good rhythm. And that rhythm will mean twisting at the same rate as well as using the same amount of pressure as you go down the extent of the hair. Okay honeys, this is where I slowed it down so that you can see how I'm doing this twisting action. So what you want to do is make sure that you're twisting both sides of the twist, and then you're twisting it all together. So one is going counterclockwise and the other is going clockwise. What this process does is it ensures that the twist is uniform from the top to the bottom. here we are. Each piece of that hair was thick enough so that it made my hair look very dense and full. All of my parts are covered, so I love it because I definitely sectioned these a little sparsely. I will say that I wasn't able to dip my hair in the hot water much because the extension hair is pretty much only about 3 inches longer than my own hair, so I had to be careful. And here is the finished product. I plan on maintaining this protective style for about 4 weeks. So I will do an update video to show you guys the wearability of this hair, and you'll get an update on my growth journey. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss another video. See you next time.